Wait, your brand new iPhone doesn't turn on? Don't panic. Watch this. Hi everybody, I want to share with you some important information and knowledge regarding your iPhone. When you're purchasing a brand new iPhone and then suddenly a couple days later your phone does not turn on, people have been coming to us and complaining numerous times. It's a brand new phone, why is it doing this? I'm going to show you an important feature to do a hard reset on your phone if this ever happens to you. Push volume button up, volume button down, and hold the side button. Hold the side button for 10 seconds till the phone reboots. Doing this, even when the phone is off, will force it to do a hard reboot and turn your device back on. Where it's very easy, top, bottom, and then hold. Once you see the Apple logo come on, you can let go and the phone itself has been hard rebooted. Rebooting your phone helps it to refresh all the optimization of the processes of the iPhone. I would strongly recommend everyone to reboot their phone at least once a day.